Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, you can see here this latest package, and we have this one for unboxing, and I got this one for personal use. And this is basically the Ailun Digital camera tripod mount stand camera holder, and this one is for the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, Max, XS, and of course Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, Note 10, you name it. So basically it's an all-in-one tripod stand, and of course it's great for shooting videos. You know that sometimes when you're shooting videos, including this one here, you need something to actually hold the camera, such as your smartphone, and so you can capture your videos without aid. All right, so currently I'm using a older model right now to do this video. The tripod is right here, although you can see it right now, but of course this one will be a new replacement, basically being a stand-in for my other unit. I just wanted something that could do a variety of functions. All right, so let's get straight into the unboxing. As you see, it comes in this box. It basically says, what's this? China exclusive, authorized to produce, made in China, and of course it's blank. Here you see the Ailun information. Then there's the iPhone tripod and it gives the information here. You see the information right here. So next I'm just gonna unbox this, and of course it comes sealed. So I just have to remove this section of the box. There you go. Alright, so just gonna remove this. Alright, there you go. And of course right away the information template comes right here. It says note happy, and I think this is just a breakdown. It just gives you some warning information right here. You can check this out for yourself. There's some more information right over here. And it gives you a 90-day hassle-free return refund, 12-month warranty. Alright, so basically their Facebook page, and we can check out the tripod itself. Now this particular tripod, as you can see here, the base, and there's the screw-on mount. So I'm just going to remove the mount itself. Alright guys, so of course this is the piece that was in the package. They do give you some information here. Seems to be a YouTube channel, the official page, and their website. You can always check that out if you're interested in one of these. And of course I'll have the official, not really the official, but of course a link to this product below in the description in case you want just to get straight to the product. Alright, so straight away I must say that the base is made out of this rubberized material right here. There seems to be something towards the center, and I love how the tripod stand basically opens up like this, and you can see the base mount right here, and then there's the screw on section. So I'm gonna screw this on. So it goes on, and of course there seemed to be a adjustable base right here. So of course I could set this to the side like this, and of course I could just extend the foot or the leg right here, and you can see the product going all the way around, so you can have a better idea. And of course you can mount your camera at different angles. I'm going to place on my Galaxy S8 on the stand. So let's check out this base right here first, and I like this in that it's adjustable, meaning it will grip your phone. And all I'm going to do right now is just set my phone onto here. Alright, so I'm going to extend the main section. There you go. And as you can see here, it easily works with my phone. Just make sure that you clear all the buttons, and let me just adjust the view. And as you can see, so you can actually check out the product on Amazon. You can pick this up for about $7 or so. So for $7 you do, or $8 you can $7.99 you do get this product. So I'm just gonna go back to the product itself, and here we go. So let me see if it works. All right, so as you can see, the camera stand does work, and you can see my phone. And let me, all right, so as you can see guys, it's working quite fine. As you can see, the camera stand, and I can make adjustments. So for recording purposes, I could easily adjust this. You can also see the camera from the other side. The stand does provide a decent mount. I like the leggings in that it allows me to easily move the phone around. I can also mess with the orientation. As you notice here, it has this pivoting base, so I'm assuming that I could easily set this to the side, so I could have a portrait view, or if I wanted to, I could have a landscape view. Landscape is the default. The only problem I have is these legs, is that this material seems soft, so in the long run this might just break off, but I'm sure there is a tougher material towards the center, which might be metal, so that might not be so bad. Again, you can notice this adjustment knob right here, and this might be just to tighten or loosen the grip, and I will be checking these out right now. So let me just give this a solid, oops. Alright, so let me just give this a solid run through. So as we said, we can adjust the legs, and they are individually adjustable. So as you can see here, that's nice. If I tighten this, it seems to adjust the main bar. So I'm just going to mess around to see. There you go. So I can turn this to portrait. I can turn it like this. So if I wanted to, I could get optimal views from various angles. And the adjustable clip section here allows me to easily, guys, place different size phones, all the way from a Samsung Galaxy to a Note device or up. And of course, this would also work for the iPhones as well. And let me just readjust this back to the original portrait. And there you go, still works. And that's super nice to see in a device like this, as this one actually has better implementations than the current one that I'm using in some sense. All right, so let me just see this section right here. So I have a pivoting section right in here. I'm not sure what it does, but for now I don't think I need to trouble this. All I have to do is just rotate on an axis, and I can get portrait or landscape. Landscape is the optimal one that I'm going to use. So again, let me just see if this will work. So I can adjust, and let me see if I can pivot. Of course I can pivot as well. So as you can see, I can get the optimum angle, and there you go again. So all I gotta do to record is simply get my phone out, switch to camera mode or video mode. There you go, and I'll have a perfect recording device. I can actually shoot my tutorials, so I can have this on the desk, and then while I have this on the desk, let me just record. Let me just show you what I mean. I can have my reviews being done, kind of a picture of a picture, or a picture in a picture, or a video in a video. Alright, so you do get the general idea. I can have my unboxings and so on being done on this without very little I can have my unboxing on this being done with very little issues. So as you can see everything quite clearly. Alright, so this has been a quick review of the Ailun Digital Camera Tripod Mount Stand Camera Holder for iPhone or Samsung Galaxy devices. So far, I like the fact that this is durable and secure from what I've seen, except for the legs. I'm a little bit worried that this might break down over time, just by me. So I think this is the weakest portion, but there is solid material beneath this. The material and the clips looks quite sturdy and strong. You can work with multiple angles. That's nice. And of course, there's the screw section there that allows you to secure it in various positions. It's compact in its design, and it has a very wide compatibility with almost any phone out there on the market. So guys, if you're in the market for a tripod stand for your smartphone to shoot videos and tutorials, I do highly recommend this one, which is the Ailun Digital Camera Tripod Mount Stand Camera Holder. Alright guys, so I won't draw this video on any longer. This has been Ricardo Gardner with another set of quick tips showing you this review of this great product. Do check this out on YouTube, on Amazon. It's quite affordable, and I do recommend that you get one of these for yourselves. Alright guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.